everyone, it's Deeki and welcome back to my channel. This video is the second video in my series talking about Canva. If you'd like to learn about the basics of Canva, make sure to check out my first video in the series. In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about how to create a banner using Canva. Banners are a super useful tool when it comes to content creating because they are so versatile. In this tutorial, I'm going to be explaining the step-by-step process of creating a banner. Then I'm going to talk about how to edit the banner using iMovie. And finally, I will be doing a time-lapse of me creating and animating another example of a banner. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new Canva project. I'm going to select presentation because the presentation dimensions are very similar to what iMovie uses. Now I'm going to change the background to green so I can use it as a green screen. Now I'm going to click on elements and I'm going to search for rectangle. Now I'm just reshaping the rectangle and changing the color. Once you're happy with your rectangle, search for circle and drag out the circle with the hills and clouds. This will act as a frame, so we can replace it with any image we want. I'm going to drag out this image of these purple flowers. Now I'm going to drag the image out onto the frame. Now it's time to add in the text. To do this, click on text and now you can drag out a font template or create your own text box. I'm using this template called Leveled Up. Now I'm going to be editing the text and editing the font and color. So now I'm going to go to elements and then I'm going to be dragging out some animated stickers to spice up my banner. If you don't know how to do this, please watch my previous video and that should get you all caught up. To animate our banner, we're going to click on animate and now we have a bunch of cool animations to add. I decided to use this animation called Tumble, and here's how our animation looks. I'm going to click on download and I'm going to select MP4 video. Now I have iMovie opened up and I dragged out this marble image. Now I'm going to drag out the banner on top of the marble. Here's how it looks. As you can see, there's still a green background. I'm going to click on the top clip and I'm going to go to the icon of the two squares. Now I'm going to change it from cutaway to green/blue screen. As you can see, the green background is now gone. Well, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. See you in the next video.